Hello, my name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a how-to video. Today's how-to is downward dog. So there's different variations of how to come into downward dog or how to explore downward dog, and this is my interpretation. So when you're ready, we're going to begin to come on to our hands and knees, tabletop position. And as you begin to come into your tabletop position, we're going to begin to have the knees underneath the hips, tops of the feet in contact with the earth. Maybe starfish fingers. And for some, we might take the hand maybe half a finger further forward. Again, shoulder width, if that's comfortable. Neutral spine. So imagine the spine between the shoulder blades. Long neck. And what we'll begin to do is tuck the toes. Getting the big toes and as many of the toes as possible involved. Again, pressing into the earth with the hands. And we can stay right here. If we want to begin to engage into our downward dog, we'll begin to lift the knees. So notice that they're only an inch or two away from the earth. And then we'll begin to send the sit bones and the hips up towards the sky, coming onto the balls of the feet. And then we'll begin to release the sit bones or the hips towards the back of the space. Imagine the heels, energy coming down towards the earth. We're releasing the head down. We're going to begin to roll the shoulder blades up the rib cage or down towards the sit bones. And this is our downward dog. And what we'll begin to do generally in downward dog is you can begin to pedal. So you bend one knee and then the other. And then beginning to settle in to your downward dog. So imagining the upper arms near the temples or the ears. We're still pressing into the finger pads. Energy of the heels coming down towards the earth. Sit bones and heels going towards the back of your space, making a V shape with the body. And this is how I teach downward dog. Again, there's different variations, different ways. When you're ready, we'll begin to release the knees down towards the earth, tabletop position. We'll begin to untuck the toes. We're just going to come to sitting on the heels for a moment. And just taking a breath. So that is a very quick intro to downward dog. It's a how-to explore, see what works best for your body. And if there's different ways of you getting into downward dog, leave a comment below. Let me know how you explore downward dog pose and how you find it within your yoga practice. Otherwise, I will see you again soon. Have an amazing day.